Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews. Today we've got something that's making massive noise all over social media. A so-called Taiwanese hair growth serum that claims to restore hair in just 20 days. Yep, you heard that right. Bald today, full head of hair next month. Sounds unreal, right? But maybe it's not. Let's dig in and find out what's really going on. Across various social media like TikTok, Reels, you've probably seen people saying, scientists in Taiwan have discovered a cure for baldness. A serum that grows hair in just 20 days. Some posts even show before and after photos that look like pure magic. But behind those viral claims, there's actually some real science. So what's this all about? Researchers from National Taiwan University recently published a study in the journal Cell Metabolism. Their goal was to understand how skin and fat cells communicate during healing, and they found something fascinating. When the skin gets slightly injured, it triggers certain immune cells that cause fat cells underneath to break down stored fat, a process called lipolysis. That releases natural fatty acids, which then signal hair follicles to wake up and start growing again. In their experiments, scientists tested this on mice. And here's where things get interesting. When they applied these fatty acids as a serum, the mice showed visible hair regrowth in about 20 days. Some even started showing hair sprouts around day 10. Now that's impressive, right? It's not just random ingredients. It's based on a real biological process discovered in a lab. The news spread like wildfire. Headlines screamed, "Baldness cured in 20 days," and people started calling it the Taiwanese miracle serum. But wait, there's a catch. Experts quickly pointed out something important. All of these results came from mice, not humans. And mice have very different hair cycles compared to us. Also, the experiment involved a skin injury model, meaning they first irritated the skin to trigger that fat cell breakdown process. That's not the same as human pattern baldness, where hair follicles shrink or stop functioning altogether. So far, there have been no human clinical trials, no data on whether this serum can regrow hair on real bald scalps. And while it's true the study has opened a new door for understanding how hair follicles might be reactivated, we're still far from calling it a real cure. So is the Taiwanese hair growth serum a real breakthrough or just hype? Here's the truth. The science behind it is genuine and promising, but the 20-day hair regrowth for humans claim is not proven yet. It worked in mice, under lab conditions, not in human baldness cases. So if you see websites or ads selling Taiwanese 20-day hair growth serum, be careful. Those might just be marketing scams using real science to sell fake hope. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe to D Reviews, and share this video to stop misinformation from spreading. We'll keep you updated the moment real human trials confirm anything new. Until then, stay smart, stay skeptical, and keep watching D Reviews.